Dear international students, welcome back to Full Scholarships. Today we have a new opportunity for you, and this is from Abu Dhabi. It's a fully funded scholarship from Abu Dhabi University, and it's for the session 2022 and 2023. So you can study on fully funded scholarships in UAE for the year 2022 and 2023. We will discuss about how to get this scholarship for undergraduate, masters, and PhD courses, and we will show you the application process for the registration and how to fill the application, and we'll discuss more about it this scholarship in a while. Before that, if you are new on the YouTube channel of Full Scholarships, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel. Or if you have previously watched our videos but have not subscribed yet, please do subscribe. You won't regret subscribing to us as we post new scholarship every day. Similarly, you can follow us on Instagram. Our username is Full Scholarships. To get to this Abu Dhabi scholarship link, you can check the video description. Link is mentioned there. Click on that link and it will take you to this destination here. Once you click on that, it will take you to this website and you can read details by your own and save your time. Here you can check some basic details about this Abu Dhabi University scholarships. So the country is Abu Dhabi, it's in the core UAE, and degree level you can cover under this scholarship are bachelor's, master's and doctoral degrees. Similarly, it covers the fully funded courses and scholarship coverage is fully funded. Eligible nationality you must be an international student and you should be an international student. Then the award country is UAE, and last date to apply for this particular opportunity is 17th February 2022. So you have 17 days left to apply for this particular scholarship. If you are watching this video in 2023, so you have the new deadlines that 17th February 2023. So you should relate to the current deadline whichever time you are watching this video, and the process is absolutely same for this scholarship. Again, if you are watching this video later than 2022, here are some benefits details, and the list of scholarships that you can achieve in the UAE are mentioned here. So chairman scholarship for international students, scholarship for UAE and GC students, international students, scholarship for athletes, alumni scholarships, merit based graduate scholarships, and if you have like sports category you can also apply to that, and you can check bachelor's master's courses are available under here. Similarly, you can check the required documents. Eligibility criteria is also mentioned. The application timeline, spring semester, fall semester, winter semester, each semester is mentioned here on this website. So every detail is mentioned here. I hope you have understood these points. So we are ready to apply for this particular scholarship. Before doing that, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel and like this video. Also watch full video and full application process so that you can easily apply to this particular scholarship. Now click on this red apply button here at the end of our page. Once you click on that apply button, it will take you to the official Abu Dhabi University website. Here you can check admissions website tab is already displayed on your screen, and you can easily check that admission dates, when to apply for each semester it's mentioned here. So scrolling down a little bit here in the mid page, you can check apply now section is completely separate on this. So you can apply on campus also, and you can apply via online also. Now in the online apply section, here you can check in the middle of this the line, you can check the link for apply now is given here. Similarly, you can contact them if you have any doubt on the document eligibility criteria. You can answer. They can answer you the questions. Now click on this apply now button given in the center of the line in the apply now section. Click on this here. Once you click on that link, it will take you to the registration page. If you are new users for the first time here as an international student, just register. Just choose any user ID, create a password, confirm that password, enter your email address, first name, last name. Once you create an account, you will get a 1 or 2 digit OTP and activation code. And here will be an activation dialog box. You have to enter that code from your email and then confirm. Once you confirm that, you can simply log in. So let me log in with the details that I have already registered. So I have entered my username and password. Now just click on the sign in button as I have already activated my account. And so similarly, this is just a step. easy step that you can absolutely complete in a matter of seconds. So let's wait for a few seconds so that it can take us to the sign in dashboard, and the page is reloading. It can take few seconds. So here you can check the dashboard is appearing, and here you can check please wait a while while we transfer you to the AU DU or the admission. So there is an authorization error, so let me cross check it. So it's loading. So now you can check create view applications, and there is a create new application button. Click on that, and before, so they will ask you a question. It would be helpful in okay, so select okay. What was your first name of school? Just answer any of the questions, then click OK. Then the next question. So proceed to the next steps once you choose the career. So which course you are applying to. So I'll be showing the undergraduate process. Click on continue. So I will be applying for the bachelor's program. So wait for a few seconds so that the application form will appear in front of you. So here you can check. So we have to complete some basic information, education information, then upload the documents, and then complete the application fee. So if you want to skip the application fee, you can mail the Abu Dhabi University, mail mentioned here in the contact, or you can just talk to them, chat to them in the WhatsApp, anywhere where you find you are easy, and then ask the application fee waiver. So they will be providing you a code to apply, and you will be skipping the waiving of the application fee. Now to apply for this, just submit the basic information. So choose the semester. So I'll be choosing 2022 to 2023 fall, and I am applying for undergraduate. Then campus location. You can go for Abu Dhabi main campus, Al Ain main campus, Dubai campus, Al Dafra campus. So are you transferring your credits? So if you had your credits to transfer, you can submit that and choose the campus whichever you prefer. So you can check their rankings first in order to select the campus. So it's available widely on the Google. You can do that in the QS rankings website. Similarly, fill the basic details like name, first name, middle name, and the last name. Then in the last name tab, then so enter the mother's maiden name, last name. Then choose your date of birth, and once you do that, choose the gender, passport nationality, passport number, then the issue date of passport. Be correct with these details. Do not just copy paste any of the details from the video as we just demonstrate the application process. It's for the educational purposes only. We have also mentioned the disclaimer in the website below, in the YouTube description below, or just you can check the privacy policy of our website. It's clearly mentioned there, and we don't store any of the information that you provide to us. So we don't ask for any informations, never we call you. And if you have Emirates ID, can submit that. So how do you get that Emirates ID? You can check and ask the contact section in this Abu Dhabi University. So they will be providing you that ID. And for international students, your passport user ID in the first time, and you can ask them. Then choose the religious preference and the contact information. Then choose the majors, which course you are preferring to. So I'll be choosing this computer engineering. Then the concentration. So you should choose from the list of specialties. So it's not required for the, then you can check the second preference. If you don't get the computer engineering, then what is the alternative that you want to continue? I will choose the electrical engineering and robotics. Then you can check plan sets applied. So how did you learn about this university? So you can just say YouTube, Instagram, social media, and you can provide our link there. Then all you applying through an internet agent. So you can say yes or no, then save and next. Once you are done with that, so here you can check Emirates ID. You can ask the university to provide that. You can contact them and get this ID. So I'll be submitting it randomly. So I'm just randomly submitting the Emirates ID. Add now, clicked on save and next. Okay, in the contact information section, do you have any family member in the Abu Dhabi University? So add not. I'll be selecting no. Then the contact information, address for the correspondence. So now choose the state from the list here. Then click on save and next. So it should take us to the next page where we have to fill the other details. So now you can check the education information section. So just submit the school details you have to find from the list and the degree. Then if you have any tests like IELTS, TOEFL score, you can submit that. And if you don't have, you can just have the English proficiency certificate from a PhD institute. But it's recommended to have these scores as they are good at each step. Even if you want to search for the job in the abroad nations or as an international, you can just have these scores and they will be valid throughout your application process. Now click on the payments tab. Once all the data is correctly submitted, you can check the education information 2 of 4 is. Now click on the documents, submit the documents and complete the payment if you want to. If you have the capacity to pay the application fee, you can submit that, and you can also skip that by asking the waiver from the international email from this university particularly, and you can check and create applications here. I hope you have understood the processes. If you still have any doubt where to submit category, how to get the scholarship for the athletics, it's mentioned on the particularly website. You can check the instruction on this website, official website. You can ask them, you can contact them, inquire about programs, any requirements, any doubts you have, you can ask them, or you can just comment down below video or messages on Instagram. Before doing that, please do remember to subscribe our YouTube channel. I am signing off for full scholarships. Have a nice day ahead.